26-year-old Siti Suhardiati arranges her daughter's shoes outside the family home in Indonesia, keenly aware that her son's shoes are no longer there. 2-year-old Umar Abu Bakr was one of the hundreds of children who died from taking tainted cough syrup in the country. When Umar fell ill last year, Suhardiati took him to a clinic where the doctor told her to give her child a paracetamol cough syrup. Umar's condition did not improve but started having trouble urinating. Worried, Suhardiati moved her son to different hospitals seeking treatment, but Umar died just 2 weeks later.
Kaget, nggak nyangka gitu. Ini tuh.
I was shocked. I couldn't believe it. It was like a dream, and it all happened so quickly. Since the first day when he fell sick until the day he died. I hope those who have done bad things will get punishment to pay for what they did.
About 200 children have died of acute kidney injury in Indonesia since last year, and authorities have said 2 ingredients in particular, ethylene glycol and diethylene glycol, found in some syrup-based paracetamol medications, are linked to the illnesses. The 2 ingredients are used in antifreeze, brake fluids, and other industrial applications, but also as a cheaper alternative in some pharmaceutical products to glycerin, a solvent or thickening agent in many cough syrups. They can be toxic and can lead to acute kidney injury. Suhardiati is one of 25 families filing a class action lawsuit to sue the Health and Finance Ministries, the drugs regulator, and at least 8 drug companies to demand restitution for their children who died due to tainted cough syrup. An Indonesian court has started hearing their case since Tuesday this week. The country's drugs regulator, BPOM, said it would respect the ongoing legal process. The health ministry has declined to comment. Authorities have banned several cough syrups and mounted legal action against several pharmaceutical companies whose products allegedly contain the dangerous ingredients. Apart from demanding justice and accountability, Suhardiati said the loss of her son left her with a deep grief.
After he died, I felt everything is meaningless for me. All my hopes are gone.